coming in. We're now learning that PM Modi has spoken on the new NEET UG paper leak issue. PM Modi told NDA MPs and stated, and I quote, "Strong action taken to ensure no one plays with future of the youth." At the same time, the Prime Minister said to ensure that students' future was not affected, the NEET re-examination was given priority, conducted successfully, and the results were declared without delay. All right, viewers, so of course a big statement coming in from Prime Minister Modi, and Arzu Seth is joining me with the latest updates on this. Arzu, what can you tell our viewers? All right, we seem to have lost the line there, but of course, viewers, PM Modi's statement, he's said that strong action will be taken. His big statement on the NEET paper leak case. He says strong action against the NEET accused will be taken. And this is the big breaking news that we're sharing with you on NewsX at this hour. PM Modi's big statement on the NEET paper leak case. Of course, viewers, since yesterday we've been seeing many protests where students have come out. All right, we have a statement to play out. Let's get across to that. All right, viewers, there seems to be an audio issue there with Kiran Rijiju's statement, but of course, we're going to get you that in a bit. But for now, PM Modi's big statement on the paper leak NEET case, and this is, of course, PM Modi who said that strong action will be taken against the NEET accused. I have my colleague Arzu Seth joining me with the latest updates. What can you tell us, Arzu?
Mr. Narendra Modi called for the strict possible punishment for those responsible for the NEET paper leak and emphasized that preventing such paper leak was a national responsibility. This is what the Minister Kiran Rijiju said, quoting that the Prime Minister after the NDA parliamentary meeting, Mangal Milan meeting on today that happened, and also the Prime Minister Kiran Rijiju said that urged for collective efforts to build a foolproof examination system. PM called on NDA partners to remain united in supporting legislative business and also appeal to opposition parties to work collectively, constructively in Parliament, saying that while political differences may exist, all MPs have a shared responsibility to work for the country's future and welfare of its youth. This is what is...
All right, Arzu, stay on with me. I have Mr. Sudhanshu Mittal. He's a BJP leader joining me on the broadcast. Mr. Mittal, a lot of protests there, very tense situation yesterday and today, and now in the midst of it all, we have Prime Minister Modi's statement where he said that strong action will be taken against the NEET accused. What do you have to say? Mr. Mittal, am I audible to you? All right, viewers, we're going to try and re-establish that connection very shortly. But of course, in the midst of all of the tense situation yesterday in the form of those protests, we have Prime Minister Modi's big statement on the NEET paper leak case. PM Modi, of course, has said that strong action against the NEET accused will be taken, and whatever has happened has not been right. So, of course, PM Modi's big statement on the paper leak case after all of the violence that ensued outside the Parliament yesterday.
का खबर आए तुरंत सरकार ने कार्रवाई किया और 13 लोगों को अरेस्ट करके जेल में डाल दिया गया है और साथ साथ जो छात्र हैं, स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उनका भविष्य को नुकसान ना हो इसलिए री एग्जामिनेशन नीट का प्राथमिकता दिया गया और री एग्जामिनेशन को सक्सेसफुली सफलतापूर्वक कंडक्ट किया गया और उसका रिजल्ट निकालने में कोई विलंब नहीं किया। तो दोबारा इस तरह का पेपर लीक ना हो, इसके लिए सख्ती से कदम जो उठाया गया है, जिन्होंने पेपर लीक धंधे में जो लिप्त है, जो लोग दोषी पाए गए हैं, जिसको अरेस्ट किया गया है, उसको जेल में डाल करके प्रधानमंत्री जी ने अपील भी किया है कि उनका जो सजा है उसको सख्ती से सख्ती सजा कैसे दिया जाए, उसमें सारा टॉप क्लास के वकील लोग भी साथ दें, ताकि जो पेपर लीक जैसे पाप काम किया है उन लोगों को घोर सख्त सजा मिले और आगे पेपर लीक नहीं होने के लिए सख्ती से जो कदम उठाया गया है उसके बारे में भी प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जानकारी दिया। और प्रधानमंत्री जी ने ये भी कहा कि पेपर लीक सिर्फ एक राज्य का मामला नहीं है।
All right, I have Mr. Sudhanshu Mittal. He's a BJP leader joining me on the broadcast. Mr. Mittal, a big statement. Of course, we saw very violent protests yesterday. But now, of course, a big statement coming in from Prime Minister Modi where he says strong action will be taken against the NEET accused. What do you have to say? All right, we seem to have lost the connection there, unfortunately, again. But Akhilesh Yadav has spoken out. Let's go across to that.